If your Hisense fridge light is on but it's not cooling, the most likely culprits are a faulty compressor, condenser coils, or evaporator fan motor. The main issues that prevent cooling are a faulty compressor, clogged condenser coils, or a broken evaporator fan motor. First, check if the compressor is running. It's usually located at the back of the fridge. If it's not running, the start relay or the compressor itself might be bad. Next, inspect the condenser coils, also at the back. If they're covered in dust, clean them thoroughly to improve heat dissipation. Finally, open the freezer and listen for the evaporator fan motor. If you don't hear it running, it could be the issue. Always disconnect power before servicing any appliance components. If the compressor isn't running, test the start relay with a multimeter. A faulty start relay won't send power to the compressor. If the condenser coils are clean and the compressor is running, the issue might be a refrigerant leak. This requires a professional repair. If the evaporator fan isn't working, inspect the fan blades for obstructions. If clear, test the fan motor with a multimeter. If it's not getting power or shows no continuity, replace the motor. In some cases, a faulty defrost system can cause ice buildup on the evaporator coils, preventing cooling. Check the defrost heater, defrost thermostat, and defrost timer. If you're uncomfortable with electrical testing or refrigerant issues, call a qualified appliance repair technician.